We are currently en route to our mukbang challenge. Wow, that is a nice car. I know nothing about cars, but that is really awesome. Wow. Going back to what I was saying, we are heading to Austin, Texas. We're gonna go to that barbecue house right there called Terry Black's Barbecue. We'll see you guys there. That's gonna be our spot. Alright guys, so right now I just actually rode out with Steve, my man right here, because we left our car like about a mile away from here. Cause I mean, you could park like on the next block, but they would charge you like $10-20.
I saw $30-40.
Oh, you know what? Let's do it like this. So we'll just leave one of the cars right there, and I'll just ride out with you. Very exciting because we got a parking spot right now, right there. We're just backing up right now. Steve's doing his own thing. Yes. Righty, we made it.
Are you ready to eat some barbecue?
I am hungry.
So sa mga Bisaya diha.
Sa mga Bisaya diha, mga parikoy, mga bay.
Nami karon sa Terry's.
Yes.
Terry Black.
Terry Black's. We are again at Terry Black's Barbecue here at Austin, Texas. Just a quick fact about them. They are a family-owned business. Of course, the founder is their dad. It's Terry Black. So, yeah, they started this business back in 1932 in Lockhart, Texas. All right, 1932, and yeah, wala pa. Two of their kids, named I think that was Mike Black and Mark Black. They're actually twins. They started to help out the family business, and then in the year 2014 they started this one here in Austin, Texas, and it's called Terry Black's Barbecue. And yeah, I think that's it. So I mean, the only difference with other barbecue shops or houses that around the area is that they sell their barbecues, briskets, and all that good stuff by the pound. We are here kasi meron silang tinatawag Say what? Na tinatawag na mukbangan, mukbang has been out for like about a year or more than a year now, and we're just doing it right now. So I mean, para sa vlog, it's better late than never. So magbukbang ta karon. So yeah, I hope everything right here is about barbecue. And by the way, the family pack consists of about 3 pounds of meat. So I'm thinking it's an assortment of what do you call this one? Briskets, pork ribs, beef ribs, sausages. We'll see you guys inside. pounds of meat, tapos 5 containers of side dishes, and ang pinili nilang side dish is just 1 container of coleslaw, and this is
Spanish rice. Spanish rice.
Spanish rice. So sabi niya, Spanish rice, so dalawa.
Dessert nila.
Something. It's called dessert something or what's not. Yeah, and the last one is baked macaroni. Right there. So we're just all hungry. Now we are starting this mukbang. Coleslaw. This is my favorite. Brisket. Spicy too.
Now na guys, count na.
Now na pa.
Bumog ka, oy. Bumog kayo.
Masarap siya guys, masarap.
A few moments later.
What is going on guys? Tapos din ang mukbang. It was okay. It was kind of expensive, right?
Yeah, very expensive.
I mean, yeah, very expensive for for the meat na nakita nyo kanina. It's worth 100. How much is it? $110. Oh hell no! For that one.
5,000 pesos.
Yeah.
This may be the most expensive mukbang ever.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know about that, but it's just too expensive for us. Kami kayo guys.
Kami kayo guys.
Napakalambot ng brisket nila, and the sausage was okay. It's just like the normal sausage. But then again, the brisket, the pork ribs, right? The pork ribs was really good. Still, busog gihapon kayo mi guys.
So kayo guys.
Very, very busog. So,
Satisfied with ang among hunger.
overall,
Yung pagpunta namin dito, it was all worth it.
it was so
Wow.
So if you would like to rate it, from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, what score would you give it?
I think it's 9. How
9
about you?
for me. Yeah, 9 for me.
So we agree.
And how about with the price?
Oh!
Yeah.
It's so expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, but it's worth it.
Hello.